Moscow region is one of the most developed regions in Russia. It boasts a unique geographical location in the very heart of European Russia. The region occupies 46,000 square kilometers, and its borders stretch for about 1,200 kilometers. The Moscow region borders on 7 regions of Russia. In the north with Tver and Yaroslavl, in the east with Vladimir and Ryazan, in the south with Tula and Kaluga, and in the west with Smolensk. The population of Moscow region is more than 6.6 million. Moscow region consists of 378 municipalities, including 36 municipal districts, 36 city districts, 114 towns, and 192 villages. 16 towns of 80 which are located on the territory of the region have populations of more than 100,000 people. The biggest are Balashikha, Khimki, Podolsk, Korolyov, Mytishi, Lyubertsy, Kolomna, and Elektrostal. Moscow region boasts favorable climatic and natural conditions. It's located in a zone with a mild continental climate with a pronounced seasonal factor. The summers are moderately warm with average monthly temperatures of about 19 degrees in July. Winters are characterized by sustainable snow cover and average temperatures in January at around minus 4 degrees centigrade. The Moscow region is a land of forests. Forests occupy more than 40% of the territory. On the whole, mixed forests prevail, with mostly coniferous forests in the north and deciduous in the south. Located in the Moscow region are state-protected nature reserves of federal importance. The Prioksko-Terrasny State Biosphere Reserve, Lasiny Ostrov National Park, the Yablokov Dendrological Gardens in Ivanteyevka, the Ozero Kiyova Nature Reserve, and the Botanical Gardens of the National Institute of Medicinal Herbs. Moscow region is rich in water reservoirs. 353 rivers flow through its territory, 348 of them small. The major water arteries are the Moskva, Klyazma, and Oka rivers. The biggest of 72 water reservoirs in the Moscow region are the Istra, Ruza, and Mozhaysk. The Moscow region boasts a vast historical and cultural legacy. There is a great number of old cultural monuments, art treasures, and forest nurseries of national and world importance. The Tchaikovsky House Museum, the museums of Alexander Blok and Anton Chekhov, the Abramtsev and Arkhangelskaya country estates, the Holy Trinity St. Sergius Monastery, the New Jerusalem Historical, Architectural and Arts Museum, the Tsarist Kremlin Reserve, the Fedoskin and Gzhel Museums of Folk Handicrafts. The Moscow region boasts huge industrial, scientific and technological potential, with dozens of plants of national significance producing highly competitive products. More than 40 research and academic institutes of the Russian Academy of Sciences, and a wide variety of industrial research centers. The region's scientific development complex embraces machine building and metalworking industries, aviation and space rocket technology, electronics and radio electronics, defense industry and instrument engineering, chemical industry and forestry, the agro-industrial complex and construction, ecology and medicine. 7 of Russia's 12 science towns are in the Moscow region: Korolyov, Dubna, Reutov, Fryazino, Pushchino, Troitsk and Zhukovsky. In the absence of high-yielding raw materials, such as oil and gas, the Moscow region holds top positions among Russian regions in gross regional product, industrial production, foreign investment, housing construction, and retail trade. The highly developed transport infrastructure enables easy access from neighboring regions and from any corner in Russia and abroad. Nearly all major transport arteries of Russia, 11 railroads, 11 highways and airlines and water routes pass through the territory of the Moscow region. The density of the region's rail network is the highest in Russia. Motorways stretch for about 25,000 kilometers, and the region is this country's second in the number of hard surface roads. 5 airports, 2 of them international, guarantee uninterrupted haulage of cargoes and passengers. The Moscow region is unique due to its exceptional geographical location, advanced industrial, scientific and technological potential, sophisticated transport infrastructure, and highly qualified workforce, which makes it particularly attractive for investors. We are optimistic about the future and are wide open for cooperation. Welcome to the Moscow region.